In Khowai Asarambari, a total of 34 voters from 8 families joined the IPFT today on Friday. Party leaders used the occasion to strongly reassert their core demand for the separate statehood or Tipraland, signaling a political refocus in the hill areas.
In a politically significant gathering held today on Friday at Tripura under the Sri Ramkala ADC village of the Asarambari Assembly constituency, the IPFT saw an influx of new members. The meeting, hosted at the residence of Binod Debarma, was attended by key party figures including Ratan Debarma, President of the Teliamura East Division Sunil Debarma, BSC Chairman of Mungia Kami Block and Central Committee member of the IPFT, along with other senior leaders. During the assembly, 34 voters from a total of 8 families formally joined the IPFT, leaving their respective former political affiliations. The welcoming leaders greeted the newcomers by handing them the party flag. Addressing the gathering, the IPFT leadership acknowledged the current political landscape. They stated, while the BJP and Tripura Motha are currently influential in the hills, the IPFT continues to pursue its agenda for the rights and self-governance of the people.
Hambai, Chini Eastern Division. Division, Sri ADC village, our family, 34 voters, senior, joint happiness in IPFT by party by, over the Brogno Nation, IPFT party, Eastern Division, Bruno Lam, Soina Harka, Buskango, Borogo Shamun Hane, Borog Tipraland, Hamzabin, Tinidesha, or Ipili, senior happiness. IPFT party, Sinication, Human, Tipraland, Nango, Hayakaba, 71 ni. Joto Bangladesh ni phainai illegal borono rohotto hayakaba sino alada rajya khaito oboni chini diman obon naharino sara Tripura rajya boro tabuksini IPFT aste aste agogui desa phaito.
The IPFT is seemingly aiming to re-energize its ways around its primary statehood demand. Reported by Biplav from Khowai, Chini, Khorang.